mission here at LaundryMaids is to serve our community. And our community starts with our team, the people who do the laundry every day, who pick up the laundry, who get the laundry done, who our customers see, who are the faces of LaundryMaids. And we take care of them as a matter of priority. The way we schedule, the way we make sure that the duties we assign to each person is based on their strengths. So if you're a people person, we're happy to have you meet our customers. And if you're more laser focused on the work at hand, your duties, and you'd rather just be in your zone doing laundry, and that's your zone of genius, we're happy to have you there. And the service continues to our community, right? There are many organizations that support the community and that we live in. I say that we are a very local business. The areas that we serve are also served by many other organizations that we love to support. We love to support the teachers who teach our children. We love to support law enforcement officers who maintain the safety of our communities. We love to support the nonprofit organizations that provide to members of our community, including Katy Christian Ministries, Catholic Charities. We like to support organizations in our community who take care of very sick people, including MD Anderson. We like to support St. Jude's Hospital. And there are organizations that have become near and dear to our hearts, either from our personal experiences on the team or our customers' personal experiences, and that includes support services for autism, kids with autism, and March of Dimes. And so these are organizations that we are supporting throughout the year. And so every month we'll focus on one organization where a portion of our proceeds go to funding research, providing for their families, and in that way we continue that mission of service. So we serve from the inside, from our team members, and out into our community. We are a very local business. To remain so, it is our goal to be very integral in the success of the local community we live in. So we keep LaundryMaids as low tech as possible so that there is very little friction for any new customers. Our customers can simply scan a QR code at our door, and that takes them straight to an ordering page. And that literally is a page where you schedule a pickup of your laundry. You just pick a time, and that's all you do. You pick a time, and in that time window, you place your laundry in bags, whatever bags you have available. They can be laundry bags or kitchen bags, and push them out your front door and do nothing else. If you have specific requirements, you can include that with your online order, or just scribble it on a piece of paper and stick in your laundry bag, and we'll take care of it. Even lower tech is that you can call our phone number, and we will make the scheduling process as seamless as possible for you, just as quickly as if you scanned a QR code and went straight to a page to schedule a laundry pickup. And now once the laundry comes in, we're pretty high tech in that we have a system that routes the laundry through sorting, processing, completion, and then it's marked as ready to be delivered or ready to be picked up. And that we can track locally. We can also track it remotely to know where the orders are and what stage they are. So any team member that receives a call from a customer can inform a customer exactly where in the process their laundry is, and then we deliver it as simply as we picked it up. customers who are repeat customers. That is about as much work as they'll ever do to get their laundry done. Because after that first time, if they want us to pick up their laundry at a regular cadence, then it's an autopilot. In that time window, we come in, pick up, take care of the laundry, and deliver it.